What's going on, Siege players? Today I'll show you how to secure your Rainbow Six Siege account on PS5 really quickly. Let's dive in. First, make sure your PS5 is linked to your Ubisoft account. Open Rainbow Six on your PS5, and if you're not logged in, it'll prompt you to sign into Ubisoft Connect. Use your existing account or create one. It's super quick. Next, head to Ubisoft's website on your phone or computer. Log in, go to Account Management, then Security. Click Enable Two-Factor Authentication. You can use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or get codes via email. Scan the QR code or enter your email. Then save those backup codes somewhere safe. This keeps hackers out. To play ranked, you need a phone number linked. In Ubisoft Connect, go to Account Information, then Phone Number, and add yours and verify it when they send you the code. Done. This stops cheaters and smurfs too. Lastly, update your Ubisoft password. Make it strong like SiegeMaster 2025 and don't share it. On your PS5, go to Settings, Users and Accounts, and enable a passcode under Login Settings to lock your console. That's it, guys. You're locked down and ready to frag. Quick tips, never buy accounts from sketchy sites, and if you're stuck, hit up Ubisoft support. Like this video, sub for more R6 tips, and I'll catch you in Ranked.